So here we have the first generation of the Thinkpad T14s, the AMD version, which one can configure themselves. So here we have a quite long packaging list, like how this was configured for me. And let's look into the box. Quite interesting of a moment. My first laptop was T21 a couple of decades ago, like a Lenovo Thinkpad. So let's see what it has to offer this time. So here we have the box and nice black padding and a couple of accessories I ordered. So we have this proprietary Ethernet connector with an RJ45 and like a VGA cable for presentations. And then let's see the device. So here we have it. Comes properly wrapped. And here is our lovely ThinkPad. Great. So this is the lovely new ThinkPad. It's by dimensions it's the same as the T490, T495 series. So nothing surprising there, but it's nice and slick. And what is also, at least compared to my previous device, that it's quite narrow. Okay. So on this side we have the USB-C charging port, like the ports for the mechanical docking, like the Ethernet and another USB-C, USB Type A, HDMI, and microphone headphone jack. On the other side we have a USB Type A and a lock. We have a SIM card slot. If I would put a LTE modem into it, which I'm not planning to. So nice all metal casing and pretty light. So let's have a look inside. Okay. So yes, we have the Ryzen 7 sticker, so I think it's time to go through the specs. It's a Ryzen 7 Pro 4750U, so 15 watts. Pretty well. Let's see how hot this machine gets, but it shouldn't produce too much heat. And then we have 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD. So pretty much the all-in version. Okay, so in the inside we have the lovely ThinkPad keyboard. Yes, it's really nice touch to it, but I will need to get used to it. Currently I've been using an HP EliteBook for quite a few years. Okay, then we have like interesting portion, like this is the camera. There is both infrared and visible light camera, and there is a little latching mechanism here. So like this we can completely close down the camera. Nice. So it has like facial recognition for Windows Hello if we would use Windows ever, and this is a fingerprint reader. Okay, nice little machine. Okay, so here we have the charger. So it's a standard USB-C charger, and well, let's take this peel off. Okay, here we go. And then we have a standard EU plug for the power supply. Okay, let's see those cables. So here we have the proprietary connector, flat connector, so that we can get RG45 for our ThinkPads. This is also for a couple of generations it has been used, so seems to be a more or less stable thing, so we do not need to throw it away for the next generation. So that's our Ethernet plug then, which will be probably rarely used. And yeah, like as I thought, the HDMI to VGA converter, which comes right there, and then we can make a time travel to a couple of decades back. Okay.